Hello, just thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on the schools class. I decided to take it apart as much as I can. I seem to have got it to be a bit more stable. So I want to see what it runs like over the points. I just thought I'd give it a short run in on the test track, on just an oval test track in either direction, and then try it again on the on my piece of test track. Okay, let's see how it will crawl now. Now we've given it not a full service or anything like that, but just sort of taking it apart and giving it a little bit of a run. Seem to have made the driving axle sit a lot better. It's not wobbling around as much now, so hopefully that has fixed it when we go over the points. So let's just try the crawl. And that has improved it a massive amount. Let's try it in the opposite direction. So we do have a very good crawler now. Let's just increase the speed a little bit more. Okay, so how do we go over the points? And it seemed to work fine in reverse before. And the problem we had is when we went through forwards. So let's see how we get on now. That seems to run a lot better through the points. And how will it go? If we go fast through them, will it be alright? Absolutely perfect. Let's just do a really slow, just make sure. Does have a little bit of a slow down through there, but I can't really complain about that. But I did have to take it all apart to get it to work like this, so really shouldn't have to do that. And originally all the bits started to fall off. I had glazing falling out, had the chimney fall off, I had all the gauges and the firewall fall all out. I had to reattach all those. So it wasn't a perfect model to start with, but it does look a very nice model, and now we've got it to look and run good, you know. So I'm now happy with this, and it will be a logo I will keep in my collection, and once I get the layout properly built, we'll have some running sessions. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed this quick update. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.